This initial solution will show you how to select all emails from one sender in Gmail. So first of all, open your Gmail and select Inbox. In the search bar at the top, enter the sender's email address and then hit enter, and then click on all search results for the specific email address. After that, here you will get all of the email address from the specific senders. And now you can click on this checkbox to select all emails. Now you can delete them from here. You can make unread. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.